Hi guys, well we're out at the shop today. Seems like stuff always needs fixing. I got another project out in the shop that needs to be done. Okay, this is going to be a short video and it involves a story about this tool cabinet that I have. And one day I noticed several drawers were opened up on it and I didn't remember leaving them open, and then I noticed it was leaning away from the wall about 5 degrees. Luckily I had this jack sitting here from my sawmill that I was going to use for toe board. And I quickly shoved that underneath of it and kept it from going any further because it was on the move. And here's what the problem was. Looking underneath this thing, I was a little bit horrified that that's the tread of the wheel, and the plastic had just totally begun to disintegrate. I can just see it just easily tears right off of there. It had just totally turned into powder. So you figure this is just a simple metal box and you shouldn't really have any problems with it. But if this had been leaning towards a car or any other piece of equipment, it would have destroyed itself and whatever it fell on. A little safety first, get this thing blocked up. And there's the wheel. You can see how extensive the tire part of it has disintegrated off of it. And it's just kind of appears to be a polyurethane, but stuff is really soft. On the front of the other side, you see these large cracks coming in from each side. So there's another crack across there. This wheel's trying to come apart also. And the interesting thing is, this cabinet has not really been wheeled around on these tires at all. It's pretty much sat in this one place in all the time that I've had it. I've removed the stickers from it, so it doesn't have any branding on it, but this was a Masterforce tool cabinet. I didn't really want to replace the wheels with the same kind of garbage. So we're going to do something different here. Rather than going the route of replacing it with whatever the warranty would do, or they even had replacement wheels that they sold, instead I went for these tires from Surplus Center. I think these were probably about $7 a piece, and instead of having a plastic hub, it's all aluminum in here. They do have seals. They've got roller bearings in them. These are rated for 1,000 pounds a piece. Feel confident that this is going to take care of my problem here, and it'll be kind of an upgrade. Maybe a weird color for the cabinet, but price was right. same thing with the back stationary wheel, where it was contacting the floor. It just has radial cracks coming out from it. There's a picture of the aftermath. It's interesting that this cabinet has never been pushed around really, and it has been in a temperature controlled garage all of its life. Hasn't really sat where the sun can get at it very much, so I really can't understand why it had its problem, but could have ended in a really bad story. These wheels have some kind of a double sleeve that goes through them, so I don't think that they're roller bearings, so I'm starting to wonder if there's some regular ball bearings in there, and they don't want to seem to push out. So it looks like I'm going to have to take a little bit more of a destructive route, but it doesn't look like there's anything to lose here. So right now I'm curious as to what is inside. Well, it looks like we have ball bearings in here, so those will probably be worth salvaging just to have for some future projects. I don't know, now that I'm already looking at this, might not even be a bad thing to incorporate into my blade sharpener for a guide. So maybe a little bit of a bonus here. I just can't help myself. I love finding free parts. So there we go, another project finished. I think this can be safely put back into service. Please take a minute to go out and check the wheels on your tool cabinets to make sure they're in good shape. Be safe. Thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing.